quick, this is what I get for not trusting in the process. There's no Bojangles by where I'm meeting everybody this morning, so I wanted to go swing by the Chick-fil-A, and of course it's Sunday. Bojangles, I'm sorry, but this is what I get for not trusting in the process. Trust me, it'll never happen again, I promise. Try it one more time. What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. Today is a fantastic day. I just got Brian here. We got Amar over there. We got Alex. I got so much planned today. It's gonna be fabulous. Brian, how's it going?
Not well.
What's going on with you?
Hungover.
Brian's hungover. I got about 2 hours of sleep last night, but we get this bread. So, throwing around some ideas at the bar last night. I think we need to start a couple new things. I'm really excited. Nothing huge, but you know, I want to join. I want to, you know, start a family. I want my subscribers to be one unit, and I think there's no better way to start the bread gang. All of my subscribers from now on are the bread gang. We all get this bread. That's just what we do. So, shout out to the bread gang. If you want to join the bread gang, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna make it huge. Yes, sir. I'm super excited. Hold on just a second. We're gonna wait for Alex to get back over. He's getting some coffee. Make sure to hit him up on Instagram and everything. He's got an awesome truck, but we got something special planned for you today. Currently about, what we said we were meeting at 9 o'clock. Anyway, doesn't matter. Brian, tell the people what we're doing today.
Mudding my car.
We are taking the 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback in a mud hole today. And you might see one of these two sexy little beasts in the mud hole today too. But the main part, Alex just scared him more with his horn. The main part today is we're taking the hatchback, or the Prius, mudding today. And I'm super excited. Let's go get this bread. We just pulled up to the spot and Brian's getting a little eager. Brian's headed off that way. I want to apologize in front of everybody. Hopefully a bunch of people that's gonna end up watching this. You don't have to send it through the mud if you don't want to. He's got forged wheels, so I won't make him do too much. But this is what we're up against today. So before I show y'all, I want to thank everybody for 1,000 subscribers. It means so freaking much to me. I never thought we would get to this point. I just never ever thought, especially in the time that we have. So thank you so much. Shout out to everybody that's watching. Shout out to everybody that's subscribed. And from day one, me and Brian had talked about, you know, what are we gonna do for 1,000 subscribers? And one thing I'd mentioned was, let me take your car through the mud. And he just, you know, never really thought we could do it. He thought I'd get there, but definitely not this quick. So what are we here today to do? Send Brian's car through the mud. So we're gonna go find out. Look, he's like way over there somewhere. I don't know where the hell he went. And we're over here, so let's go find him and see how he's feeling right now before we do that. How do you feel, Brian? There has to be some level of excitement right now.
I guess a little bit, yeah.
A little bit? You know, I mean, it's already dirty, so we might as well just send it. We're scoping out the terrain a little bit. This is, I don't even think he's gonna make it through this, let alone get through the mud hole. Y'all don't have to walk back here if you don't want to. I got boots on. Y'all don't. Yeah, that's rough.
Oh, I chose these shoes.
This is, holy crap.
Exactly.
So we're gonna walk around the mud holes over here. It just kind of circles around. Our trucks are sitting over there. Yeah, I don't know if you're making it through that. You're gonna get stuck in there.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you'd get stuck in there. Well, what do we do? Send it?
Fuck it. It's
Okay.
a new car.
Send it. Let's get to, we're taking necessary precautions here. We're gonna go ahead and install the tow hook. I have no faith in the Prius to make it through whatever the hell we're gonna send it into. All right, my hand. So we've got the tow hook installed. I don't know why every time Brian likes to pee, I get it in the video, but I'm a little nervous. I'm actually nervous for him. This is
on his car.
this is gonna be interesting. Yeah,
This is about
somebody
how I feel.
somebody drew an inappropriate image on Brian's car because it's dirty. But I'm a little nervous. I am. I don't know how this is gonna go. We've got some straps and we got the tow hook on, so we're just gonna kind of go with the flow, and we'll see what happens.
Fuck yeah.
No, you're not.
No, you are going through there, and I'm gonna go through it too.
You're going through that one?
No, you're gonna go through that one. I'm gonna go through the small one.
I wish I would have known how big.
All right, so Brian wants me to go through the mud hole too. We get this bread. That's what we do. I had to send it one time, so Brian felt a little bit better about what he's doing. Everything looks pretty good. It's just absolutely filthy. Absolutely. I mean, this is just, I just got it cleaned too. Squat looks good though. Squat looks pretty solid, especially all muddy. Come on now, hop two. Look at that beautiful truck over there. He's not making it. I'm sorry, Brian. Yeah, you're good. Oh man. Full send. In the Prius! In the Prius. Yes! It's stuck already?
Yeah.
Really? Literally, you get stuck right in front of me. Try it one more time. Whoa! Look at that mud. Hey! Not really. Oh! Uh-oh. This might be it. This might be it. That's it? No? Okay. Hey, we whoa. That's it for the Prius today. This side's not dirty. That side's filthy.
It just spins one wheel.
Do what?
It wasn't that bad.
I mean, those tires just have no traction.
Yeah.
That wide bow tie to the rescue. So I've never actually pulled anybody out with my truck before, let alone while it's squatted. So this is gonna be interesting. I've got some like smaller straps in my truck. So we're gonna go get the straps. I'm gonna back it down here and we're gonna try and pull Mr. Hatch out. Brian over there. He got a lot farther than I thought, to be honest.
What's happening, Alex?
We're getting the straps out so we can save Brian. Stretch it out. I can back up some. You should be able to hook it right underneath there. Okay, cool. You're good?
How long we get in the car?
Yeah, let us get out of the way. Alright, he's ready. Right?
Oh, boys.
Alright, watch out.
The flank a lot.
What's that? What's that? Oh, never mind. That's easy.
Just eased it.
Harder than that.
completely honest, that went a lot better than I thought it would. Let's go. Let's go. You're good. You're good. You hit my truck, I'm fighting you. Huge shout out to Amar. Huge shout out to Brian and Alex. Awesome to meet you. I'm gonna put his information in the video later on somewhere. We'll find a way. If you want to join the bread gang, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, join the greatest bread getting gang of all time. We really sent it through the mud. I mean, Brian's car. Shout out to Brian for helping me out so much. Shout out to Brian, not fucking Brian, I can't talk. Shout out to Amar, shout out to Brian. We hit 1,000 subs. And as always, who wants to do it? Who wants to do it? Who wants to do it? Somebody.
New person do it.
New person.
Let's get this bread.